Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making this amazing paella. It's chicken and chorizo. Let's go for it. So this is a list of all of our ingredients. We have the chicken breast, we have the chorizo, whatever you want to call it. We've got one onion we're going to use, one red pepper. We have some paella rice, or paella rice, however you want to call it. Chicken stock pots. We're going to be using 1 or 2 lemons. We've got some turmeric, some paprika. We have mild chili powder. We've got some garlic granules and a tin of chopped tomatoes. And I almost forgot the garden peas. Frozen peas, we'll be putting those in at the end with the rice. It's all going to be going in there. Let's do it. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on the slow cooker. And we're going to be putting it onto saute mode. And we'll put the temperature to low to start with and push start. Now that's going to heat up. So while that's heating up, what we're going to do is open the lid of our slow cooker and put a little bit of olive oil inside. This slow cooker has a saute function. If you don't have a saute function, you can do this on the hob, or you could just put all the ingredients in raw. It will cook, but I just like to brown things off. So we've got our 3 chicken breasts, and we have 100 grams of chorizo, whatever you want to call it. Let's chuck it all in. Get it all in there. And we're going to brown all that off. Just going to give all that a bit of a stir. Get all that olive oil coating it, and we get all that browned off. Now, if you know the correct term for chorizo, and paella, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So that's sizzling away quite nicely. We're browning off the chicken, we're browning off the chorizo. Smells amazing already. I've got all my family over this evening. This is for them. We're going to be cooking this, as I said, in the slow cooker. I've got a lot of time today, so I'm going to do it on the low setting. It's going to take about 5 hours for the main part of the cooking. You can, at a pinch, if you want to do it on high, you've only got a limited amount of time, do the initial part of the cooking for 2.5 hours. Then after the 2.5 or 5 hours, what we're going to do is put in the rice. We're going to put in the red pepper, the frozen peas, and we're going to cook it for another 45 minutes on high, and then it will be ready. Okay, so that's been sizzling away for a little while now. We're going to turn off the slow cooker because we're finished with the saute function. And what we're going to do now is add in the onions. We're going to add in the herbs, or shall I say spices, with the salt and pepper as well. We're also going to have the juice of 2 lemon halves, so 1 lemon. That's 2. Couple of pips in there, but who cares? Now we're going to add in the 900 millilitres of chicken stock. In that goes. Lovely, lovely. And lastly, we're going to add in 1 can of chopped tomatoes. Now we're just going to give all of that a lovely stir up. The smell is gorgeous in the kitchen. If you're liking the video so far, please hit that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos coming up. Really appreciate it. Leave any comments down below as well if you'd like to see me cook something in particular. I do take requests. Right, let's get the lid on and let's get it slow cooking. Okay, let's turn on the slow cooker. And we're going to be cooking it, as I said, on low. And we're going to go for 5 hours. It won't actually let me go down to 5 hours. 6 hours is the minimum, but we're going to be using 5 hours, so we'll have an hour left. I'm going to push go. And I will see you in 5 hours. So we're up to the 1 hour left on the timer. And we're going to open it up. Oh, look at that. Smells amazing. Give it a bit of a stir. Have a look inside. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add our paella rice and our red pepper and the frozen peas. So in goes the 350 grams of paella rice, whatever you want to call it. 1 red pepper diced. Go on, get out. And 1 cup of frozen peas. In they go. I'm going to give that a jolly good stir. Make sure it's all mixed up thoroughly. The smell in the kitchen is absolutely amazing. I really hope my family enjoy this meal. So we're going to put the lid back on the slow cooker, and then we want 45 minutes on high. So let's take that to 45 minutes and high, and I will see you when it's done. So the paella has finished cooking. Let's have a look inside. Oh, look at that. Let's give it a big old stir. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Piping hot. Rice is perfectly cooked. Let's get some in a bowl. Look at that. Perfect. Again, please help the channel out and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more future content. Leave a comment down below and make sure to hit the like button. It really does help me out. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.